everybody. And today we have a bunch of snow coming down. This is absolutely ridiculous because it is the 22nd of April, 2015, and I'm freezing out here. And oh my gosh, it's starting to get a lot more now. This is ridiculous. So much snow that's coming down in the middle of April of 2015. This is absolutely ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. And also, we have a box that came in the mail. And it's huge. And I can barely pick it up because it's so big. Yeah, I can't do this. Okay. As you can tell, it's already opened. And it's pretty big. And we're gonna bring it into the kitchen. And we're gonna unbox it. Oops. There we go. Now, turn on the light. And we're gonna open it. So we're gonna open it like this. And what do you know? It's a Simpsons Lego set. And it's really rare. My dad bought it on Lego.com. And this came as a bonus. A bonus little Lego set that came with it. It's really cool. A bonus that came with the set. And this huge Lego set is really rare. And it's extremely big. Look at it. It's pretty big for a Lego set. I've never seen a Lego set that is the Simpsons before. Ages 12 and up. Hey, 12 and up. I'm 12, so that means I can use it. Because probably some parts may be a choking hazard. 2,179 pieces. That's insane. And it's called the Kwik-E-Mart. And these are the sets, well, the stuff that's included in the set. Get a good look at it. And then on the back, oh my gosh. As you can tell, these two pictures are security cameras, which I find kind of funny. See, look, it says cam 1, cam 2, and him getting arrested by the police right there. And then it shows the top part. So I'm guessing you can take the roof off, I guess. And, oh, that's cool. That's a checkout place. I find that pretty cool. And that's the outside of it. That's the power source that's what he's carrying.
Our sauce.
Oh, power sauce. Sorry. Dog food. Angry dad. Wow. Angry dad. Oh, I see. These are the arcade games, which I find pretty cool. Heat lamp dogs. And this is, I guess, where you buy all the stuff. And if you look closely there, there, yeah, get a good look at that stuff too. Employees only. Oh, I see. This is like a little comic thing or something. Like he sees him there, and then he arrests him right there. That's the... I'm guessing that's the cash machine? Yeah, it looks... Easy money. Wait, what does that newspaper say? Oh, there's the newspaper. Bumblebee man caught on string.
Sting.
Sting. I thought it said string, but it said sting. This is a pretty rare
So
Lego.
now let's open it.
Yes. Let's open it. Alright. Now we are going to open it. And we have these little pieces. Those gray pieces. Ugh. Oh my gosh! That is a ton of bags to do just to make this set. It's insane. There's like a bag one, two bag twos, two bag twos. That's strange. Wait a minute. It says 2011 on there. Probably a misprint. Has the instructions in its own bag, along with the stickers as well.
Open the sticker.
Open the sticker?
Open the bag and let's see the sticker.
Alright. How am I gonna get this?
No.
This is a ton of bags. Oh, and there's holes in this one. Square-shaped holes. Instruction manual, which is pretty long. Bless me.
Bless me.
Me again. And thank you. Oh, that's different. That's a lot different than I've seen in other Lego sets. I mean, that specific picture. There are 8 bags in this set, which is insane for a Lego set. Oh yeah, those were the holes I was talking about. These things.
It's a very long book.
Yes.
200 and some odd pages. Wow.
Yeah. They could have at least put it in 2 separate books.
No, I guess you have to make it according.
To
249 pages. Wow, almost 250 pages.
That's insane for a Lego instruction manual.
Well, it's 2000.
And 15.
179 pieces.
Oh yeah.
So let's see the stickers. Check out the stickers. Let's see.
Like, we're not going to take it off, we're just going to show them.
Yeah.
And these are going to go on the Lego pieces.
It's a lot of stickers.
Yes. Oh, it says 911 there.
Yeah, that's for the police car.
And it's also that's a real number that you use for emergencies. But it's only for emergencies. So never use it for anything else.
Yes. Dry diapers. Easy money.
Power sauce. Employees only.
Do not accept checks from. And then it shows.
Chef.
Chef. Can you read it? I can't see it.
Wig, Reverend Lovejoy,
And it says Homer J. Simpson.
Homer S. Simpson,
Homer S. Simpson. Yeah.
H.J. Simpson.
So do not accept checks from. That's funny.
Wow, that's really funny.
Yesterday's food at tomorrow's prices. No checks, credit cards, or food stamps.
That's actually kind of funny. Yesterday's food at tomorrow's prices. And then oh, that's the phone sign. Easy money. Is that the gas gauge right there? That is the gas gauge. Oh, and these are supposed to be the games pictures.
Yeah, for the arcade.
For the arcade machines.
And of course,
Squishy.
each sticker is numbered.
Yes.
I like that. Springfield seafood. 50% more fish eyes.
Wow.
He's got 3 eyes. That's
Ew, that's
Spider Pig
disgusting.
the musical. The Leftorium.
Oh, that's actually kind of funny. Spider Pig instead of Spider-Man. 30 lost cats. Call me.
Wanted for treason.
Cash. Jackpot. Sale.
Alright, that's pretty cool.
Yes. And we got early access to it.
Yep, it's April 22nd and we already have it. It took about 5 days for it to arrive.
That's actually not that long.
Yeah, because I ordered it about 7 days ago.
And this set was supposed to come out in...
It's coming out May the 1st,
May
online.
the 1st, online.
Yeah, I'm not sure when it comes out.
On Toys R Us, probably.
Yeah, well, they call it Babies R Us or whatever in the United States.
Yeah.
Because we're here in Canada. So it's coming on May the 1st.
And we got
On April 22nd.
So we got 10 days early. So 10 days early we got this.
And the box actually has a little flap so you can turn it sort of into like a suitcase almost.
Yeah, it's very cool for a Lego set.
So it's quite the box. It's quite big. And yeah, it's Lego 71016.
That's the code.
Yeah. But the box is quite useful because you can, if you ever want to resell it, you can always put it back in there and store it quite nicely. Okay.
So we got 10 days early before it released in stores.
So now you have to put everything back into the box. And the next video will be of that being all
completed.
Like this over here.
That's the Lego Walker.
Which is completed.
And it was originally on the table, but we removed it for filming reasons.
Yes. Okay.